Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4 quantitative reasoning. This week in class, we are going to be taking our Unit 1 assessment and starting Unit 2. So Unit 2 is going to start with Lesson 4A and 4B. You guys will have some homework that Wednesday, but none Monday night. So let's quickly take a look at your Unit 1 assessment. So please make sure you guys are saving your work as you go. Again, we'll talk about all of this in class. Any work that you do during the exam, we're going to make sure we turn that in. And this is extremely important. If you are not going to be in class on Monday, I need you to please let me know ahead of time, because I will be giving the password out to access the exam in class. And any missed exams that are unexcused, you will receive a 0 for. So please make sure you're emailing me or communicating with me if you are not going to be attending class on Monday. Your exam is going to be taken through D2L. So you'll access the exam here, and then any work that you complete, you'll upload over on this piece. Again, I will be there to help you guys. Please don't forget I have student hours. We have an in-person tutoring center, and we also have a virtual tutoring center to help you guys be successful. So please make sure you're utilizing your resources and you're reaching out if you have any questions or concerns. I will see you guys all on Monday when we are taking our first exam. Again, if you have any questions in the meantime, please just let me know.